Have you ever been at a point where you wanted to buy something, but you can't because you simply didn't have enough coins?
Bruh. Oh my God!
Car parking is a car simulator game, where almost every newly added car, clothes, and even houses all cost coins. But there's something I want to take advantage of in today's video that might help you get coins a lot easier. And that's the world sale.
Bruh.
Basically a place where you can only buy and sell cars using coins. Some of these cars sell for as high as 1,000 coins, while others sell for as low as 100 coins.
Interesting.
I have exactly 396,000 coins in my main account.
Nice.
But I'll be starting on a new account that's only got 900 coins, so you guys can easily copy everything I do. All I'm asking for in return is that you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay boys, we are in. I've got 970 coins,
LOL.
and by the end of this video, I'll have 10,000 coins.
Damn! That's why he's the GOAT!
Without wasting any time, let's check out the world sale and see what kind of liveries people are making. The first car is the Nissan Silvia S13, all green with a gray hood. Looks pretty clean. It's going for 1,000 coins.
Bruh.
However, people are not going to buy a car that looks like this because it is too easy to make it. It's simply not worth 1,000 coins. The next car is the Dodge Demon. It's also being sold at 1,000 coins.
Jesus is Lord!
Looks like the vinyls were just randomly slapped anywhere. No one is going to buy this. This livery is also bad. I can't tell if it's a taxi or rockstar livery. Not only is the livery bad, the car is bad as well. When you're picking a car to sell at the world sale, I suggest going for fast cars like the MK2, MK7, Porsche, and so on, because it's usually racers who buy cars at the world sale, and most of them do not have a livery on those cars. So how do you get 10,000 coins, you may ask? There's a very easy trick that I have been doing ever since coins got added in CPM. So basically what I'll do is to make an easy livery that looks good on one of the cars I mentioned earlier, then list it for sale at the world sale, and after it's sold, I'll do the same livery again, list it for sale at the price of 1,000 coins, and repeat the process 10 or more times.
You naughty.
This is the exact livery that I have been making. I would make this livery every afternoon, and before I go to bed, I'd list it for sale at the world sale. And by the time I wake up, it'll be sold. If you copy this exact strategy for 30 days, you are guaranteed to have 30,000 coins, if not more. I am going to list my car for sale on the world sale right now, and after it's sold, I'll build another one and then sell it, to prove to you guys that this method really works. By the way, this car is completely stock, and it's not necessary to upgrade the engine or turbo. When I'm listing the car, I always list it for 1,000 coins, and I like to write rare livery on the description. The car is now under review, and after a couple of hours, it will be on the world sale. Okay boys, so it's already been a couple of hours, and I just sold the car. I now have 1,800 coins. It should be 1,900, but I bought some rims with 100 coins. And making that livery is actually easier than you might think. I know some of you guys are not good at designing, so I'll build the car again and show you guys every step. The first step is to obviously buy the car, and then change the car color to the base color of this design, which is white. You're then going to place the first vinyl, make it blue using this color code, rotate it so it fits perfectly below the front window. Copy the vinyl, make it thinner and smaller, place it right in front of the blue one, and change the color to gray. You're then going to copy it again. Change the color to peach and place it in front of the gray vinyl. Now you're going to make the two vinyls slightly longer, then copy the peach vinyl, move it to the rear wheel and align it with the top edge of the car. Now you're going to copy the gray vinyl and place it right next to the peach one. When you're done, you're going to copy the blue vinyl and put it next to the gray vinyl. Then you're going to find the triangle vinyl, make them small and red, then place them on the edges of the skirt. Now we're just going to copy everything and paste it on the other side of the car, then remove the red triangles. Now we're going to add a blue vinyl at the back of the car. We're also going to add it on the car roof. And make sure you don't go all the way to the back. Now we're going to add two rectangular shaped vinyls. Make them look like a triangle, like so. Then we're going to add a white vinyl on a side to make it look smooth. We also going to add the rectangular vinyl at the back of the car, place it on top of the blue one and make it same color as the vinyl on the side. Then we're going to add a white vinyl we're going to use as an overlay to make the car look clean. Because we want the car to look professional and not look like those cars on the world sale. Now you're going to copy one of the gray vinyls for the hood. and we're gonna do a triangular shape like we did on the roof. We're then gonna copy the peach vinyls and do another triangular shape. Now we're just about done with adding the vinyls. Now we're going to add some really tiny blue vinyls in between the windscreen and the car door, because we definitely don't want to have that white paint on there. Now we're going to add the car sponsors or tags. Unfortunately, we cannot copy and paste multiple text vinyls at once, so we're going to have to do them individually, one by one. Now boys, we're going to add peach stars on the gray, blue and white parts of the car, because if we place them on the peach part, they obviously won't be visible. And by the way, you don't have to place these in any particular order, just don't make them the same size. Okay, boys, now we are officially done with designing the car. What I'll do next is to increase the windows' opacity and make them black. Then also increase the car specular opacity and add my favorite rims. This is how the car turned out. And every day, for the next 9 days, I carried on designing and then selling the car on the world sale until I finally had 10,000 coins on this new account. If you made it this far, comment W, so I know who the real channel supporters are. And remember, boys, anything is possible if you put your mind and time into it.